Good afternoon. Today the committee will examine three bills. S 943, the Johnson O'Malley Supplemental Indian Education Program Modernization Act. The S 1223, the Klamath Tribe Judgment Fund Repeal Act. And S 1285, the Oregon Tribal Economic Development Act. On April 26, 2017, Senator Heitkamp, along with Senators Daines and Lankford, introduced S 943, the Johnson O'Malley Supplemental Indian Education Program Modernization Act. Pursuant to the Johnson O'Malley Act, the Bureau of Indian Education assists the Indian children enrolled in public schools, where more than 90% of them attend. In my home state of North Dakota, during the 2016-2017 school year, 10,262 Native children, or 83.6% of the Native children in grades K through 12, attended North Dakota public schools. The types of services include dropout prevention, culturally relevant instruction assistance, and academic assistance such as tutorial services and school supplies. In some cases, the Johnson O'Malley program may be the only means of academic assistance for even basic items such as school supplies. However, to date, the Bureau of Indian Education has not conducted an accurate or verifiable student count for program funding and distribution since 1995, well over 20 years ago. It is estimated that up to two-thirds of the Indian children may not be receiving assistance due to lack of a current official student count. Since this program may be a lifeline for some Indian children, it is incumbent upon Congress and the administration to do everything we can to support and improve it. The bill, S 943, amends the Johnson O'Malley Act to direct the Secretary of the Interior to provide for the full participation of all qualified Indian students eligible for the program. The bill would require the Secretary of Interior to provide for a more accurate student count of Indian students. The bill would further require the Government Accountability Office to provide a review and report on the implementation of this act. The bill would also mandate the Department of Interior to engage in negotiated rulemaking regarding the funding formula and eligibility definitions. I will also note that North Dakota Superintendent of Public Instruction, Ms. Kirsten Baszler, has sent a letter of support, and I will make that letter a part of the record. Next, on May 25, 2017, Senator Merkley introduced S 1285, the Oregon Tribal Economic Development Act. It is co-sponsored by Senator Wyden. This legislation will allow 5 Indian tribes in Oregon to purchase, sell, lease, or otherwise convey fee land without further congressional approval or oversight. In addition, S 1285 provides that none of its provisions apply to land held in trust by the United States for the benefit of these tribes. The third bill the committee will examine is S 1223, the Klamath Tribe Judgment Fund Repeal Act. This legislation was introduced on May 24, 2017 by Senator Merkley, co-sponsored by Senator Wyden. The bill, S 1223, repeals the Klamath Tribe Judgment Fund Act, which sets forth a claim settlement distribution process for the Klamath tribe. The bill is intended to allow distribution of claims settlements against the United States for the Klamath tribe to proceed under the less cumbersome process in the Indian Tribal Judgment Funds Use or Distribution Act.